Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today we will discuss about input and output in Python programming. Here you can see uh, input function is used to take inputs from the user. Okay, so as and when we are going to take any value through input function, it will by default it will take the input as a string. Okay, so here firstly we should know about the syntax of input function. Okay, so here you have to write input, then a parameter like message. You have to mention there a message also, like enter a number, enter your name and all that. Okay, so by default it will take a string value only. If you are entering a number also, it will consider it as a string. Okay, so variable, as you are already aware that variable is the name of the area inside the memory where we can store any value, as you are aware already. So here the syntax of input function is input, then any message as a parameters will be entered. Here I'm just going to show you example of the same. So here, see, once I have declared a variable name. Okay, here input and enter your your name. I'm just going to run it once. Yes, we are trying to enter my name. I entered. It has been executed successfully. Now we are taking an inputs from the user, and if you want to display the value stored inside the name, then you must use print function. Print, then you have to enter name. It will display simple name, your name, whatever you have entered, your name. Okay, I'm just going to execute once. Yes, enter your name. I have entered Pramod Sharma. It displayed Pramod Sharma. Okay, now once again, suppose if you want to display here, your name is, comma, then name. Now it will display your name is, and your name, whatever you have entered, will be displayed. Suppose I have entered there Pramod Kumar. Your name is Pramod Kumar. Got my point? Okay, thank you. Now once again, and here you can see there. I haven't. I'm just showing another example for the same. A is a variable integer, then input enter a number. Now if you want to convert the entered string into integer, then we have to enter after variable integer, then input, then message. Okay, here you can see. Yes, I have mentioned these things here. Now it will take a value. Okay, and it will convert it into integer. Now if you want to show it, then you have to write there print entered number is entered number is a. Okay, so I'm just going to execute once. Here a number will be entered, a number, any value will be entered by me. It will be converted into integer and will store inside a. Now I have displayed By using print function, entered number is the value of a, as you have entered 5. You have entered number is 5. Okay, thank you so much.